Hey guys, let me tell you a little bit about CJ, Cameron, and the team. So I'm one of the owners here at All Aluminum and Screening. We've been using multiple marketing companies for a long period of time. Ad, media, magazine, the entire works. So we have gotten the most traffic, high volume website that we've seen in the last year working with CJ, Cameron, and the team. Mostly everything we've done with them has all been digital media, and they are all over keeping on top of us on how we're managing all our tools that they're giving us, their lead generation, making sure that we're calling customers quick, fast, and getting good responses. And in the last 3 months out of the 10 years that we've been in business, we've hit an all-time high in sales. And I think that tributes heavily to some of the work that we've done with Cameron, CJ, and the team. So if you are looking for a high quality media and digital sales team that's going to help you grow your business, these are the guys you want to talk with.
Love that, man. How about just while we're here, man, just talk about how you started with the 3 month, and then you guys just after that just went with the 12-month.
So, you know, which and also I'm gonna mention in that is the first 12-month contract our company has ever signed. Ever. We don't like the idea of 12-month contracts because it locks us in and we feel fear and danger in those situations most of the time. But with CJ and Cameron and the guys, we felt confident. We started with a 3-month plan. Our digital web and ad advertisement that was coming media-wise quadrupled. Not to mention how much they stay in contact with us, keep updates, make sure everything's running smooth. It was a no-brainer to automatically generate from a 3-month to a 12-month contract with them.